Okay, welcome back to CAD That Works. This video is a follow-on to our 5 easy CAD projects video I put out. This is a quick tutorial on how to model and design the custom keychain. So let's open up Onshape, go to Create, Document, let's call it Custom Keychain. Open that up, jump right into it, hit Sketch. We'll select that top plane for our sketch plane. Orient it vertically like that. First step, draw a rectangle. Hit the D button for dimension. Let's make that 2 inches. 3/4 of an inch. Let's go ahead and add an arc to the end of that. Pull it out, make sure that snaps as such. And we're going to hit the trim command. Get rid of those lines there. Now I do want to add a hole for the actual keychain, so I want to hover over the center of that radius, and I just drag my mouse that way, and it keeps it in line with that. Let's make that about 3/16 of an inch diameter, and about the same from the center there. Okay, finish that sketch, hit extrude, select sketch number 1. Let's do 1/8 of an inch, 0.125. Let's go ahead and add some text. We hit sketch again. We select that surface. We go up to our text command, and we're just going to drag a box right there. Let's call it key number 1. Okay, that's a little big, so we're going to hit the D button for dimension. We're going to select the bottom of that sketch box, and we're just going to make that 1.5. Okay, and we're going to dimension from the bottom of that to the bottom of the keychain. Let's do, there we go, 0.19 from the back of the keychain. And there we go. You could write any text you want in there. You can size it however you want, and it comes out pretty good. So select that sketch, hit extrude command again, select sketch number 2. This time we're going to hit remove, and we're just going to do half of that thickness, 0.0625. You could also extrude it outward if you wanted to, easily enough. I like to emboss it in. Go ahead and hit that, and there we go. Custom keychain done pretty quick. Again, if you like this content, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what projects you want to see next.